Another day, another wonderful day. We'll better get going to Melon Town before it gets too busy. Well, time to go. Well, didn't think it will be nighttime. What the hell? How did my car suddenly explode? Well, that's odd. And how am I going to get this repaired? Who's touching me?
Don't move or else a bullet will be in your head.
Okay, relax. I didn't want to hurt anybody. Please spare me. I'll do anything.
I want you to get in my truck. Oh, and about your car, I secretly placed a small bomb in your engine so it can stop your car. Now you will follow what I say to do and you will do it. Fail to do it will reward an execution.